What do you think will be the future? How do you see the future of cryptocurrencies? Do you have some advice from your experience to someone that is thinking to invest in cryptocurrency, or do you see some trends where the people can get advantage with?
I don't have the crystal ball, no financial advice. However, I think as an investor as well, you need to have different boxes. Real estate, stocks, bonds, like a traditional market. But in crypto, obviously I see Bitcoin as a reserve of value, like a gold 2.0. For sure now the price quite high to all-time high, to be honest. But if you have a chance just to go down a little bit, maybe you have a chance just to get a little bit, why not? I see stable coins is also interesting because it's a new market. You can generate yields just to put in deposit that we call staking. Like if you put it in a bank and give you money every month, it's quite secure, it's regulated in the US, here. Also I see stables. What else? More trend. All regarding infrastructure for stables. For example, in Marbella, we have one of the biggest companies worldwide. Is what it's called Bridge. Here in the pool, they have Bob, is one of the founder. He was working for Stripe, who is the competence for PayPal. And he quit. He go to start infrastructure for stable coins, for banks and all that. He left. He was so genius, so good guy that Stripe bought the company in 1 billion, really 1 million, 1 billion something, 1,000 million. And they are heavily in stable coins and all the investment related infrastructure for stable coins. Bitcoin as a reserve of value. I see and tokenization as well. Mm-hmm. All that token with a backup into real estate, why not? Because you have it in your mobile phone. It's liquid, because what happens with real estate, you buy a villa, you want to sell it, you have to wait
1 or 2 years.
1 year, someone is coming. With this, no, you have a secondary market, you have your return of your investment every month to your mobile, and anytime you are willing to exit on your position.
So as I mentioned to you before, Vincent, I have a good friend, a client. He's buying a villa now for 2 million here in Marbella from Brazil. He's an expert in Bitcoins and crypto. He has a 500,000 YouTube channel. He's a specialist, even doing some consultancy for more than 10,000 students. As him, I know probably you invest in crypto, right? Do you invest in crypto and Bitcoins as well?
Yeah.
It's interesting the way it moves, because like 4 months ago, I was checking the Bitcoin. It was around 60,000 and now it's 100,000 again. What happens? Went down and then went up very fast in some months. Someone who bought for 62 4 months ago and now can sell for 100,000 is making more than 50% in 4 months. It's a crazy profit and gains, so you can make it. How much was the most that you have made on a day or on a month investing in Bitcoin or crypto?
You have to watch out the cycle just for your audience, The cycle. This is different cycle. Normally every 4 months there is a cut in the rewards to give to the miners, who is the people who issue to control the network, and they have rewards. They have a cut in the rewards. Let's say they have pay a low salary, and we know that after that cut, Bitcoin in a 6-month period, they're gonna rise, trying to follow other cycles. When this decay, wait, I sold, try to say next to the peak into stables, and they buy again. Or diversify into real estate. Because at the end, if the real estate sector is you are buying a good choice, a good opportunity, you swap your Bitcoin with your upside, with your return, you convert into real estate, and then you have the upside of the real estate. Instead to make 40% return, probably you do a 60. Okay. I'm doing this. I also recommend to the audience, just to try to reach the peak of the cycle, sold at some point with your profit, and diversify and real world asset things that you can touch as well.
Follow the cycles and get the advice from some expert.
It's from some expert. I know financial advice. I tell you what I'm doing, for transparency. However, it's a big, hedge fund and financial advisor can much better than me how to manage your portfolio.
For us to finish the video, do you have some other suggestions or information that the people needs to know?
I forgot another big narrative who's happening around crypto and real estate. That is mortgages. with the backup of Bitcoin. What is happening right now, because people expect that Bitcoin is going to rise this cycle much more than other, probably 150. Again, no financial advice. The one I see right now, all the institutions there, it's a different animal now. All the big players are there. And then now we have some clients who are, listen, I have Bitcoin. What about instead of do the conversion into euros and buy the property, take my crypto as a collateral and give me a loan. I'm happy to pay 14% interest rate per year. I have the expectation that Bitcoin rise to 100.
Of course.
Why I'm gonna solve my goal 2.0. And it's happening now. It's opening a very interesting business also for us, our partners. Just people who, even your audience, 14% interest to give a loan with the collateral and a crypto. Listen, collateral. If you buy a villa of 1 million, you have to give me 2 million in Bitcoin.
In Bitcoin to guarantee.
To guarantee, I take it, but it's no brain. Imagine if you take the house as a collateral and then you have to go to the court to do the reposition. It takes 2 years. With this, you don't pay me. Okay, it's fine. I don't take in your house. I don't want your house. Okay. It's yours.
But which institutions are providing the loan for, in this case, the banks or some investment funds?
Investment funds. We are working with, we already have 2 liquidity providers, happy to lend some money, but also for your audience, for your community, also good business, 14% interest rate per year.
Yeah, it's really interesting. Huh? You are saying that if someone wants to get a mortgage, someone have 2 million euros in Bitcoins, and then instead of buying the property with these Bitcoins, a 1 million property, for example, just leave this 2 million in Bitcoin and crypto as a guarantee to the bank or to the investment fund, and then like do a mortgage on the villa, and the villa will still be an asset or some guarantee for the investor that is providing the money. So it's a great deal for everyone.
Double guarantee.
Wow, it was a great conversation, Vicente. Okay. Nice to have you here, and even better to know that you are from Marbella. You are a unique guy here. What are you doing here? You're from Marbella?
Yeah, that's right. I born here, studied here in my high school, then I start traveling, but I know everybody here.
Wow, you are a local.
I'm a local.
That have traveled around the world. That's great.
Travel around the world,
That's great.
You have to open your mind and then go back with all your expertise and try to add value to your people, to your clients, your family.
Add value to people. That's what we are doing here. So guys, thanks for watching the video. Remember, leave your comments, leave the questions that you want to ask, because we're going to shoot again to bring more information, updated. We're going to bring more about Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies here. And of course, leave your like at the video. It's really important to inspire us to bring more good quality content. Smash the button, but don't break the phone, okay? Take care.